Hi guys, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to use the Add Bidder contact tool. So we're on the tools.monetizemore.com interface. We're going to go and start on dbadmin. Then we're going to click on Add Bidder and go to Add Bidder Contact. And we're going to want to create that content. And in this example, we're going to be doing it for Criteo because we want to send Criteo these emails so that they can implement the IDs on their end within the configs rather than our team doing it. So the whole point of this is to make it more of an automated process and less work for the ad ops and operations team. So we're going to create the contact, and I'm going to grab the name right here. So his name is Gardner Butterworth. And I'll put in his email right here. Then I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to click on Add Bidder to Contact. So this connects the actual ad bidder with the contact name. So I'm going to create again, and I'm going to choose Criteo, and then Gardner Butterworth. So now that we've set up the ad bidder to contact, you can see Criteo, Gardner Butterworth, and his email. That will enable us to email Gardner on the fly so that he can enter in the proper IDs whenever we want Criteo to be added to a config. So the next step is to go to M2HB and then configurations. And in this example, we're going to do it for American Listed. So I'm going to type in American Listed, and I'm going to do this for American Listed's largest traffic config. And one important thing you want to make sure before you send any of these ad bidder contacts is to make sure that the publisher field is filled. So American Listed is filled here. If it's blank, then make sure to click on this and go and choose the proper publisher. If the publisher is not choosable, it's not one of the options, you can go into dbadmin and add publishers as well. And you want to make sure every one of your configs has the publisher field filled. All right, so I'm going to scroll down to the ad bidder contacts section, and I'm going to go all the way down to Criteo. And since I just added ad bidder to contact, the contact button is now available. Click contact, and this is what Gardner is going to see. He's going to be able to approve or disapprove AmericanListed.com, and he's going to be able to follow these instructions and click on this link, which will be a customized link, and then it'll bring him to a new UI that'll allow him to approve or disapprove, and if he approves, then he'll be able to fill in the proper IDs, click submit, and then 10 minutes later, Criteo will be running on AmericanListed.com. So you have the ability to add an additional message. If there's something strange or weird and you want to let them know about something, then you can add the additional message, but normally you can just click send. So that's how you use the Ad Bidder contact tool. This is something that we're going to be using a lot in the future as soon as we have each one of the ad reps used to this system. All right, I hope you learned a lot from the screencast. Thanks, guys.